If you have an apartment that can fit this, just get a dishwasher.
Welcome back to Choose Your Favorite, our favorite show where we choose our favorite stuff. Here is the first one. This one is a bamboo folding dish rack. There you go. Something like that.
Nice. That's nice.
And it is biodegradable. It's environmentally friendly, and it is foldable. Fold it up. See how small it gets. Just enjoy how lovely that is.
Okay, so I actually used to have this dish rack, and I did like it, but I had it when I had 3 roommates. So living the New York life,
it gets dirty.
it got really gross in a way that it just had to be thrown away.
Yeah,
like,
that does
but
happen.
it's biodegradable, so you don't feel so badly about sort of burying it in your backyard.
Not at all.
Does this
What do you
also
think, Anita?
this also doesn't come with a mat, I noticed, because if your
true.
dish is wet and you put it up here,
it's
just
meant to
gonna,
go on a draining board. I mean, you'd have to get one separately,
Okay.
or if your kitchen naturally has one. But
I like
you're right.
an all-inclusive.
Do kitchens naturally have draining boards?
Some of them do. Yeah, they have a little slopey thing. Yeah. Take a look at this, the Joseph Connect dish rack. It's made up of 3 movable components that can be put together in different ways to make the most of your sink space. It's the widely spaced spikes accommodate all types of washed items, and it has an integrated spout right over here for draining excess water.
I don't love it, but I do like that you can kind of customize it for your space a little bit, and it looks like you can.
Yeah.
You have a little bit more flexibility with where.
Right.
with
I
where
like
it's
That's a
that
nice
too.
solution.
But I
I
don't
think
love
it's
it.
a great solution. It does look like a bed of nails.
It's a little weird.
It might
But-
be fun for kids. Like it's. I mean, not as a bed of nails.
Right, to punish them.
You can also, if you want to
it
make it
just looks
smaller,
fun.
you can go smaller. Like
Well, you
that.
can just have like one. If
You
have
could
it
have-
really-
you could
that-
just have
I
one.
like that this gives you the option of very small footprint.
Do you think it's going to hold plates? I guess it would hold
I
plates.
was just thinking that.
It works.
It fits.
It totally works.
Whoa, this is like the Cadillac.
Show that to
Wow.
the
Dish
to the camera.
rack,
This is the
and
Simple
it's-
Human steel frame dish rack. Swivel spout that pivots so you can drain water directly into the sink. Move the pivot around. Anti-residue hydrophilic coating that prevents residue buildup and water spots. So that's the coating on everything. It has a wine glass holder that holds up to 4 wine glasses, which is quite nice.
That's
You see it over
nice.
here? It's goes there. Awesome. Okay, what do you think?
Well, it's also the size of a Cadillac. So I want to say if you have an apartment that can fit this, just get a dishwasher. You know what I mean?
I feel like you could have a dinner party and be able to, like,
Yes.
keep all those dishes there. But I feel strongly that if it's empty, that's way too big to just like look at.
This is just not attractive, period.
It's not attractive.
It's too much.
It's not attractive,
But it does what it's supposed to do, which is hold a lot of dishes, give you a lot of options.
and it does have somewhere for water to catch, which is
Right.
important.
What do you think? Which way are you leaning? Which one is sort of your favorite so far?
I'm leaning this way.
So, you mean towards this one?
Yeah.
I would have to agree.
You're both going bamboo.
Yeah.
Going bamboo, all nat.
Really? Guess the price of the Simple Human.
$65.
80?
65, 80,
Oh, wow.
79. She's a smart shopper. This
bought
bed of nails right here.
Bed of nail. 40?
I would say the same.
I go lower.
Really? Oh.
30. Well, you go lower
30.
because you printed that out ahead of time.
No, I didn't know.
Let's
I didn't know what it was. But
You're
I just,
not allowed
I
to
know.
play this game.
And this one, bamboo.
25, but only because it folds up.
I'm stuck. 30.
$19. All
little
right.
off.
So, are you ready?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
I've been ready
3,
for hours.
2, 1, go.